Subscribe to Caitlin Classics.
Yes, sir. All right, thank you so much. Hey, don't forget me now, cause I'm right here. Yeah, you're all right. I'm gonna do a little walk through right here.
Which one? I think he bought a ticket, but he just didn't want to register and stuff like that. I think that's the one guy. I mean, he couldn't make it work. Like, he had a ticket because I saw him. He didn't have a car. He's like, I was like, oh, he doesn't take it registered. He's like, I don't register really. I just did a donation.
You all right? You okay? Go ahead.
And they decided to start up one of the guys. You can tell it better. The guy it was a race. It was an actual formula. Not a formula. Yeah. They decided to start it up. And then there's this other guy there. And he's got a Ford GT like yours, but an original. So these would have been two cars that actually would have raced each other. I don't know. Yeah, Ford versus Ferrari. So he started.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you, sir.
Are you welcome? Okay, so we're at the Northern High School car show, raising money for their athletic department. Also, just want to let you know, we're having Pro Street Day. Pro Street Day, November 11th, 2023, 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina, from 9 o'clock a.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. We have a 50-50 cash drawing, long distance trophy, participant's choice trophy, best Pro Street trophy. We'll have a 50-50 cash drawing. We'll have food trucks, restroom. We have a heated lounge if it's cold. Pro Street Day, November 11th, 2023, 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina. Yeah, Pro Street Day, 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina. Okay. Also, we have another event coming up. We have the Caitlin Classic car drive, the Caitlin Classic toy drive. So the Caitlin Classic toy drive is okay, so we have the Caitlin Classic Toy Drive, which will be December 10th, 2023, 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina. December 10th, 2023, 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina, Caitlin Classic Toy Drive. Just bring a toy, bring an unwrapped toy, so that we can make sure kids have a smile on their face at Christmas. So the Caitlin Classic Toy Drive is 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina. December 10th, 2023, 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina. 50-50 cash drawing, food trucks. 50-50 cash drawing, food trucks, restroom, long distance trophy, participant's choice trophy. Come see us. Caitlin Classic Toy Drive, 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina. The Caitlin Classic Toy Drive cruise in. December 10th, 2023, from 1 o'clock a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. Caitlin Classic Toy Drive. So also, we want to tell you, we got another event coming up. January the 1st, 2024. January the 1st, 2024, we have the Caitlin Classic New Year's Day Bash, which means a celebration bigger than others. Okay, an extremely large celebration. So it's going to be at 3620 Bastion Avenue, 3620 Bastion Avenue, Raleigh, North Carolina. 3620 Bastion Avenue, Raleigh, North Carolina. 3620 Bastion Avenue, Raleigh, North Carolina, January the 1st, 2024, from 11 o'clock a.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. Also, we have extended hours. You can stay till 8 if you want to. But the official hours are from 11 o'clock a.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. 3620 Bastion Avenue, Raleigh, North Carolina, KNW, in the Tower Shopping Center. So that means you're going to have plenty of good food to eat. And if you don't want the food, there's other restaurants, a plethora of other restaurants. Caitlin Classic Scholarship Fund Auto Extravaganza. This guy said he's coming. October 12th, 2024. American Legion Post number 7. American Legion Post number 7. October 12th, 2024, from noon to 4 o'clock p.m. American Legion Post number 7. Registration fee is a cash donation. Registration fee is a cash donation. We will have refreshments on site. Refreshments on site. Kate Lane Classic Auto Extravaganza. 406 East Trinity Avenue, Durham, North Carolina, at the American Legion Post number 7. Okay, so at American Legion Post number 7, we'll have a 50-50 drawing of cash. Indoor dining facility. Canteen will be open. You can have cold beverages. Let your mind wander about them cold beverages. But you can get cold beverages at this event. Indoor dining facility, able to sit at least 500 people. So it's the third annual Kate Lane Classic Auto Extravaganza Scholarship Fund. Kate Lane Classic Scholarship Fund Auto Extravaganza. 406 East Trinity Avenue, Durham, North Carolina, at the American Legion Post number 7. Kate Lane Classic Scholarship Fund Auto Extravaganza. Kate Lane Classic Scholarship Fund Auto Extravaganza. October 12th, 2024. 406 East Trinity Avenue, Durham, North Carolina. Kate Lane Classic Auto Extravaganza. 2024. We have the J.W. Shepherd Higher Education Auto Fair, August 17th, 2024, from 9 o'clock a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. J.W. Shepherd Higher Education Auto Fair, Savannah Free Will Baptist Church, 2349 Cameron Langston Road, Griffin, North Carolina, from 9 o'clock a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. J.W. Shepherd Higher Education Auto Fair. J.W. Shepherd Higher Education Auto Fair. Registration fee is a cash donation. We'll have a 50-50 drawing for cash. Chicken and fish dinner sold by the church. AC in the fellowship hall. Top 5 participant choice trophies. Top 5 participant choice trophies. Long distance trophies. Award ceremony in the fellowship hall. We will have AC in the fellowship hall. We will have restrooms. J.W. Shepherd Higher Education Auto Fair. 2349 Cameron Langston Road, Griffin, North Carolina, at Savannah Free Will Baptist Church.
Go put your candy in the bag.
Okay.
The candy's gonna melt because it's chocolate.
Oh, what kind of car is this?
You cannot take the toy. They ain't gonna let you have that toy.
Okay, so this guy did a swap. This thing did a swap. This is a 350Z. And he did a swap. So it ain't your ordinary Z. He did a swap. It looked like a 2JZ swap. Look at this big turbo.
Somebody in your family had one. Yeah.
Okay.
I got something to know. That's right. Is it right?
Okay.
Yeah. So how would be yours? Oh, you're not into it like that. That big block, I should get away from it.
This thing got a TJC.
I'm on the short list of 2-minute warning pizza coaching. That's all right. Enjoy this while you can manage. God bless you, man. I hope you have faith. All right, come on. Let me come out. See you later.
Boy, that's a big turbo.
All right, Pimpin'.
Hey, you have a good one
All
now.
right, you too.
Say what now?
I said check out Caitlin's Classics on YouTube.
All right. Yeah, this is it right here. That's it right there. And what's this event called right here? This thing y'all having at the church?
This was a fall festival and trunk or treat at Westminster Baptist Church.
Westminster Baptist Church.
And the gentleman in the blue shirt
Uh-huh.
is one of the churchgoers here.
Okay.
And,
Okay. All right. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing. And let me know if there's All right, we're at the trunk or treat. We're at the trunk or treat, y'all. Trick or treat, getting some candy. Okay. So we just want to let y'all know that Pro Street Day is coming up. Put that hat on. Put it on. Okay, now I'm really scared. I'm scared for real now. Okay. Yeah, we got the trunk or treat going on. Trick or treat. Trunk or treat. Okay. Just want to let y'all know we got some events coming up. Pro Street Day. Pro Street Day, Veterans Day celebration. 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina. 9 o'clock a.m., 3 o'clock p.m. 50-50 cash drawing. Food truck. Restroom. Participant choice trophy. Long distance trophy. Best Pro Street trophy. Bring them out. It's going to be a nice one. Saturday, November 11th, 2023. 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina. Okay? We also have... We're going to go ahead and tell you that we're having the Caitland Classic Toy Drive Cruise In December 10th, 2023. 1 o'clock p.m. 4 o'clock p.m. December 10th, 2023. 1 o'clock p.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. Trunk or treat. We're having Toys for Tots Toy Drive. So we're going to be collecting toys at that event. 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina, December 10th, 2023. 1 o'clock p.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. December 10th. December 10th. 1 o'clock p.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. December 10th. Okay? 50-50 cash drawing, participant choice trophy, long distance trophy, restroom, food truck. Okay? Also, J.W. Shepherd Higher Education Auto Fair, August 17th, 2024. Savannah Free Will Baptist Church. Savannah Free Will Baptist Church, 2349 Cameron Langston Road, Griffin, North Carolina. 2349 Cameron Langston Road, Griffin, North Carolina. Trunk or treat. That will be the J.W. Shepherd Higher Education Auto Fair. J.W. Shepherd Higher Education Auto Fair. 2349 Cameron Langston Road, Griffin, North Carolina. Registration fee is a cash donation. AC in the Fellowship Hall. Award ceremony in the ice cold AC. The award ceremony will be in the ice cold AC. We'll have top 5 participant choice trophies. We will have top 5. We have a long distance trophy, ice cold AC in the Fellowship Hall, chicken and fish dinner sold by the church, bake sale included. J.W. Shepherd Higher Education Auto Fair. Okay? All right. So also, New Year's Day celebration. The Caitland Classic New Year's Day Bash. That means it's bigger than a celebration. The Caitland Classic New Year's Day Bash. That event will be New Year's Day, January the 1st. That will be January the 1st, 2024. 11 o'clock a.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. is our scheduled time. But we might hang around to 8. So we can hang around to 8 if we want to, but we're going to schedule it from 11 to 3. Okay? So Just want to let you know that that's coming up. January the 1st, 2024, 3620 Boston Lane, Raleigh, North Carolina. 3620 Boston Lane, Raleigh, North Carolina, in the Tower Shopping Center. We'll be eating at K&W, and there's a plethora of restaurants around if you want to find something else. Okay, we also have the Caitlin Classic Scholarship Fund Auto Extravaganza, October 12th, 2024, at the American Legion Post number 7 in Durham, North Carolina. Caitlin Classic Scholarship Fund, 3rd annual Caitlin Classic Scholarship Fund Auto Extravaganza. 406 East Trinity Avenue, Durham, North Carolina. 406 East Trinity Avenue, Durham, North Carolina. Caitlin Classic Scholarship Fund Auto Extravaganza. Registration fee is a cash donation. There'll be plenty of refreshments on site. Canteen will be open. The canteen will be open. And I'll tell you, the canteen will be open, serving cold beverages and whatever you like. So we have a 50-50 drawing. Top 5. Top 5, baby. Top 5. Top 5 Participants' Choice Trophies. Long distance trophy. Caitlin Classic Scholarship Fund Auto Extravaganza. American Legion Post number 7. October 12th, 2024. Rain date. The rain date for this event will be October 26th, 2024. Okay? And got a little dots in here. Arrest me red. Okay. Well, I found out about this event by accident. Just happened to be on my way home and just stopped by. I'm late, so I missed some cars, but hey, at least you got some of it. PCCC was here today. And one of the members of the church is in the club. Alright, so just want to let you know that this is a part of the American Legion Post number 7. This is the canteen, okay? So you can come in here, relax, get you a cold beverage, and I'm gonna just leave it at that. So, plenty of tables in here, plenty of room. So, okay, so we want to let you know we also got an ATM machine. So, it's cash donation. If you ain't got no cash in here, on you come in here to the ATM machine. We also want to let you know we got restrooms. We got restrooms. Okay? We got restrooms for everybody. This is when I say refreshments on site. This is what we have. We have refreshments on site. All of this area is where you can come and relax during the car show. Okay? I didn't put this on video, but I'm just letting you know that this is what we have.
This POW and all. We got pictures of all the North Carolina people that never come back and then Vietnam.
Oh, okay.
See the pictures of it.
Okay.
You have to get close.
All right, I'll go check that out in a minute.
We got up a couple weeks ago.
Okay.
You know,
All right.
tell you what.
Okay. Proceed Day, 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina, November 11, 2023, from 9 o'clock a.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. We're talking about blowers, nitrous, horsepower, big tires, roll cage, Pro Street Day, 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina. This guy said that he is coming. So we'll have a 50-50 cash drawing, plenty of trailer parking. Pro Street Day, 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina. Plenty of trailer parking, 50-50 cash drawing, best Pro Street trophy, Participants Choice Trophy, Pro Street Day, 148 East Main Street. Food truck, we'll have a food truck, we'll have a restroom, 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina. We're talking about Pro Street Day. Pro Street Day, this is the epitome of Pro Street. It says Pro Street on the car. So it tells you. Tells you. He said he's coming. He said he's going to do it because of the love that we create. It's an optical illusion. An optical illusion is what we have here. So Pro Street Day is coming. He said he's coming. Pro Street Day, 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina. November 11th, 2023. 69 action right here. Pro Street Day. 148 East Main Street, Youngsville, North Carolina. Pro Street Day. So we're out here in Louisburg. I'll try to get some recording done before the music starts. So got a monster truck out here. Wow.
As I live and breathe.
How you doing?
Yeah, he's up there.
Can y'all put these in the dash of y'all's cars, or I'll just put it on your dash. Dominique.
y'all doing? All righty. All righty. I'm sorry. Go ahead. Sergeant. Do you want me to get the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get it. I'll pull it out, right? Okay. 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 Wow.
That's it.
Gracious.
Sounds good too.
I know she do. And that looks like a old school tunnel ram that they don't make no more.
Yeah. 311 cubic inch. It was restored in 2009 by Travis Body Shop.
Okay. Okay. It's a Jeep Cherokee. With an LS motor. Hey there. Hey, thanks for bringing this 72 out.
Yeah. It gets out better than I do.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
That's some work I need to do to it.
Oh well, it's never finished.
It's like me.
It's never finished. I promise you that. How you doing, Mr. Barry? Good to see you.
Yes, sir.
What? You had to move what over now?
Steering gear.
Okay.
Cut out the chassis and move the steering gear over into the chassis further.
Well, you know that S10 motor won't nowhere near this wide. But you did some fabricating. And how many holes you had to weld up?
The truck had 60 some holes.
Wow.
Doors and
I bet it.
cab part, bedsides.
I bet it run good.
Yeah.
What's the furthest you've driven it?
I drove it. I bought this truck when I was 14 and started working on it.
Oh, I'm talking about with the Pontiac motor.
I've driven it to Burlington several times. That's about as far as I've gone. It's
Okay.
the wrong time.
Okay. So that means if you can make it to Burlington, you can make it to Youngsville.
Exactly.
It's the same distance. Either way. As a matter of fact.
Go anywhere you want it to go.
Okay. All right. Well then, hey look, you need to see this. And this is a GMC what now? Sonoma. And you got all the gauges and stuff working too? Oh, you know what you doing. Well, I gotta say, you don't know what you're gonna see around here. Pontiac 455 powered GMC Sonoma. Wow. You can take some money too. I'm a G-body man because I have a open header.